All right, we're going to talk about the laundry factor. So, as some of you may or may not know, I'm a business coach. I'm also a simplification coach. I've been working with people since 1997. So, as of this recording, this is going on 24 years that I've been coaching and working with people privately and in groups. Years ago, I had this business client of mine for 2 weeks. Every time we spoke, she's like, no, I haven't gotten this done or that done. And she kept talking about the laundry. So I stopped and I said, okay, we're going to talk about the laundry. She's like, what? No, I don't want to talk about the laundry. You're my business coach. And I'm like, listen, all I can hear you talk about is I haven't gotten this done. And then she's complaining about the laundry and then this and then the laundry and then this. And I'm like, you know what? We're just going to talk about the elephant in the room. So we had a discussion about her laundry and she explained to me the situation. She has a husband and 2 kids and herself. She did everyone's laundry. And also, they had those giant laundry baskets or hampers, the one that goes up to your hips or your thigh, depending on how tall you are. And they had multiples of those for each person. And they were full. Plus, not only were those full, but their closets were full and the drawers were full as well, even with those hampers being full. So I worked with her and we made a strategy, and this is what it is. I had her wash everybody's laundry, get it all done, and put it on their bed. From there, before they put any clothes away, we had them go through the things that were still in their closets and their drawers and get rid of most of that, because those were the things. Each of them had 3 full laundry baskets full of clothes that they had worn. All that stuff had never been worn or hadn't been worn for a very, very long time. Most of it didn't even fit them anymore. Once those spaces were cleared out, then they went through all of the clean clothes and got rid of anything that was irreparable, had holes. She had boys, and so some of the things were torn up beyond repair. Then what she did is she got rid of those really tall baskets and got a short laundry basket, 1 per each person in the household. Then she taught her kids and her husband how to do their own laundry. Over the next week, they did this process. The next time we spoke on the phone about her business, she's like, oh my God, Flora, I got so much done. She's like, I cannot believe how much the laundry was impacting my business, my life, and my happiness, and how much it was robbing me of my time. So today, reduce the amount of laundry and clothing that you have, get rid of those tall baskets, and get a short one. I promise you this will help.